Happy birthday, Mom. Hope you have a good 60th birthday. Love you.
We miss you. Happy birthday. Happy 60th. We can't wait till you get home. We love you. Okay. Here's your daughter. Say bye.
Bye. Love you.
Hi Tita Sel, happy 60th birthday. I hope you enjoyed your party. At maraming salamat po sa tulong niyo sa akin at sa aming lahat na magkakapatid. Nawa po ay lagi kayong malusog. Enjoy your party. Bye!
Hello, kumusta kayo lahat dyan? Sayang naman at hindi ako naka-attend ng isang napaka-importanting okasyon. Sel, happy birthday! Maraming salamat sa lahat-lahat ng nagawa mo sa aming pamilya. Hindi lang sa aming pamilya, sa iba pa ring tao. Talaga napakalaki ng puso mo. At hindi ko makakalimutan lahat-lahat ng mga nagawa mong tulong para sa amin. Ngayon naman I wish you all the very best. Lahat sana ng mga hinihiling mo sa buhay ay maipagkaloob na sa iyo. Bigyan ka ng malakas sa katawan at mahabang panahon pa natin pagsasama. Huwag ka sana magbabago at mahal na mahal kita, alam mo yan. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Maricel! Enjoy your birthday in the Philippines! I wish we will be there with you to celebrate your birthday. Anyway, enjoy your big day! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Many more!
We are now in a wedding. Thank you for being such a good friend to me. You're my big sister here in America.
Bring me a piece of lechon.
On your birthday. You're my big sister. I'm so blessed. I have you. I met you because of Joe. That's why I met you. That's why I love Jojo. Bye-bye. Enjoy your birthday. Love you. I love you. I love you. Happy birthday.
Hi sis, happy birthday. I hope on your special day brings you all that your heart desires. And I know masaya ka ngayong 60th birthday mo. At sana lahat ng wish natin tatlo na matupad pag uwi mo. And alam ko, enjoy ka ngayon sa 60th birthday mo. Tsaka, good health and long life. I love you, sis.
Hello Maricel, gusto ko lang ipaabot ang aking pagbati sa iyong ika-60th birthday. Wish you all the best and stay happy. Just enjoy your day as you celebrate with your friends and family there in the Philippines. Happy birthday and long life.
Happy birthday, Maricel! Maricel, happiest birthday on your 60th year. Welcome to the senior club. Okay, enjoy.
Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best.